Today I have a neurographic art easy tutorial for you with a step-by-step PDF, so let's jump in. Hey, I'm Laura Reese, a creative director with over 25 years of experience working with global organizations and leading creative teams. And on this channel, I explore ways to help you step into your highest and most natural creative energy so you can experience the exhilarating freedom of creating your art on your own terms. I have found neurographic art to be an excellent creative practice. It is very satisfying, it gets you into flow state, and it fosters an uplifting and expansive energy. And it's really easy for a non-artist like myself to do. I have a step-by-step PDF linked for you below, so you'll have that to reference as you go through the process, and I'm going to walk you through it on camera right here. So the first step is to gather your materials. In this example, I'm using a grocery bag for paper, a Sharpie, and a set of acrylic markers. The second step is to set your intention. If you're using your neurographic art as a way to help you work through a problem or a challenge, write that down either on the back of your paper or on a separate sheet. Give your subconscious mind free rein to come up with every solution it can for the problem, and then let it go from your conscious mind. The third step, use your black marker to draw some big closed shapes like circles, ovals, or rectangles with rounded corners. The fourth step is to draw a few lines vertically and horizontally through those shapes. Add more shapes and lines if you want to even it out. Step 5, you are going to go through, and any place that you see like a sharp corner, you're just going to use your black Sharpie and round that out. Then you are going to take whatever colored pencils or markers you have and color in big shapes or the whole thing. Whatever you want to do, it's totally fine. And that's all. If you want to go back and add more detail, you can totally do that, but this is a great stopping place for your very first piece of neurographic art. Now, if you documented a problem or challenge at the beginning, go back to it now to see if you have any fresh ideas or additional clarity. If not, just let your subconscious keep working and expect some thoughts to come to you out of the blue. Now, as far as the visual part of this, you can get as fancy as you like, or you can keep it simple. And of course, you can use a variety of media. To see some more examples of neurographic art and to hear more details about how I use it as part of my creative process, check out my video, Neurographic Art Examples. It doesn't really work for creative problem solving, which I will link below and at the end. Don't forget to grab the PDF linked below as well and let me know how it goes for you. And if you're interested in exploring more ways to align your energy with your true creative calling, check out my community, Full Soul, where we use a variety of tools to do exactly that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.